Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir's Classes. And today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 Economics paper, question number 42. Two students A and B are assigned to solve a problem separately. The conditional probability that A can solve the problem given that B cannot is 1 by 5. The conditional probability that B can solve the problem given that A can solve the problem is 3 by 5, and the probability that A can solve the problem is 1 by 10. Then the probability that B can solve the problem is what? So that means the conditional probability, so the first information is probability that A can solve the problem given B cannot, so that is B complement, that is 1 by 5. Okay, the probability that B can solve the problem given A can is 1 by 5, and the probability that A can solve the problem is 1 upon 10. Okay, so given these three informations, we need to find out the probability that B can solve the problem. The unconditional probability that B can solve the problem. Now, since this problem is given to A and B together, so there can be two possibilities, right? The probability of B solving can have two subparts. One is B solving and A also solves the problem, and another possibility is B can solve the problem and A cannot solve. Okay, that means we can use the law of total probability for this question. So by law of total probability, the unconditional probability of B would be probability of B given A into probability of A plus probability B given A complement into probability of A complement. Probability that B solves a problem given A also solves, or probability that B solves a problem given A cannot solve. These are the two cases that will total give us the combined probability of B solving the problem. Okay, so now we will be replacing the values.